So the advancement in cameras, this started back in the 1990s, 1980s, but really has blown up recently. And so what I want to focus here on is what are the latest and greatest cameras. We have the OneView from Gatan, and it really is the leading edge system that's available. And I think the important thing to notice is the image on the left is a 1K by 1K image, which is a format that everybody's very familiar with. The image on the right is the exact same information per pixel. If you look at the border of the information, I'm actually only able to show about 30% of this image because of the rest of it just keeps extending almost in all directions. But the information per pixel is the exact same between these two images. And so when we're looking at these, what's important is the larger frame size not only allows us to maintain that high data quality, but it also allows us to get additional information because now we can look at, this structure in relationship to the bigger structure, what's around it, and how it relates to its environment. So here is another view, but looking at it kind of in the opposite direction. So the image on the right looks like it's a much higher magnification, but actually these are from the same image. All we've done is taken the data that's in that 4K image on the left and expanded it using the OneView and just showing, that atomic level resolution that exists in essentially a 40 nanometer field of view. And again, the important thing here is by giving us a frame of reference, we're able to get a lot more information about not only the crystalline structure of this, but how common these interfaces are, how distributed these particles are within the solution here, and nanoparticles, and getting some great data. I had a conversation with one of the thought leaders in the biotech world, and she made the comment that, many of the advancements we see in the bio world on resolution are really powerful, but really the cutting edge science right now is understanding how these proteins and lipids interact with the cell. And if you're focused in just on a very small field of view, you can miss, the bigger picture of the biology going on. And so these 4K cameras allow us to capture both at the same time.